Okay, Sean and I were in our hotel room. We came back, long day at PAX, and we heard the most loud. What was it?
It sounded like seriously like 15 people barged into a room and everyone started screaming, and then this crazy rave music started playing.
Oh, you heard music? See,
Yeah.
I didn't hear music.
Oh yeah, there's music, and so it's directly above us, and it scared the shit out of us. And so now we're gonna investigate and see what the fuck is going on.
Should I tell them what we think it is?
I mean, you can, but it's a stretch.
It's a stretch, but it's been all over the internet that there was a Craigslist ad for a PAX orgy to happen at one of the major hotels on Friday night, and that's what it is right now. So maybe we were under the orgy.
And if we are, then I'm getting that shit shut down so hard, and then it's gonna be me, this guy, who shut down that orgy. So fuck all you for scaring me.
Yeah, because they wouldn't let Sean in because you said too many guys. Can't. It's in there, right? What does it sound like to you?
It sounded like just like fucking guys being assholes and being annoying.
Yeah, I didn't hear.
Well,
Organs.
Good news, no orgy. I'm still gonna fucking call room service, or not room service, but the front desk, because fuck that. That's so fucking loud and obnoxious. Let's go back one more time.
Yeah, I want to see if I can hear anything. I don't want to get caught. I want them to see who the culprit is. Is it there? Yeah, that's what it is. Sorry, fellas. Sorry. No more. I didn't see any. I didn't see any penetration.
I knew it wasn't gonna be an orgy.
I don't know. I was kind of feeling
I
it.
really think that actually happened, because
I think about 10 dudes showed up
That's
in a room
exactly what
and
it was.
went, oh.
Do you think that there were any girls involved with that to begin with? Because I guarantee you there were.
I think maybe, you know what? There's always a couple girls that will go, yeah, woo! And then when it comes down to, like, show up, they don't.
No, God.
Here's what happened. They showed up and they were like, well, we could just play, like, Mario Kart or something. And then that's what they did.
That's what they did. Fuck. So they played Mario Kart with their dongs, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Scared me.
I got those blue sparks on my dick. Okay, going back to bed. Oh, what? Are you going to say something?
Oh,
Say it.
I got nothing to say. Should I call the front desk? I mean, can we hear anymore? Because I was saying before that if it's just dudes talking,
I don't
that's
care.
What we do, 'cause
Conversation,
we do that, and we're loud.
yeah, we're very loud in our conversations. Conversation is a good thing.
What scared us was not dudes talking.
It sounded like someone got tackled.
That was something fucking nuts.
Maybe the orgy's over. Maybe it was so exciting they just all, like, finished.
That's what they were screaming about. They all were, like...
They all finished at once. They were like, PAX! Duke Nukem forever!
Yeah,
I bet you that's what happened.
probably.
Duke Nukem Forever. Check it out. Coming out after 13 years.
I'm fucking so excited because the double blamers.
So.
I don't even
Double
know.
blame.
I honestly, all I know is that Duke Nukem is a game that we made fun of forever ago, and this is the game that's still not
We
out.
made fun of in a version 1 episode and it's still not out.
I have no idea what Duke Nukem is. I don't fucking care.
Wait, hold on. Now you're lit.
Oh, good. Duke Nukem, don't give a shit. So.
I give a shit. Because I want to do a Duke Nukem video, and if they're out there, hey, I want to do a video.
Oh yeah, go back to me. For the right price, I will give a shit for anything. So you just just keep that in mind.
Didn't sound sincere, but big Duke fans. Duke fans. Duke them up.
Oh, they're starting again.
Is that happening again? What the fuck? Are they playing Shots by LMFAO?
Dude,
Are they?
you're in bed. I'm not being paranoid. Like, I'm hearing I go, wink, 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 wink,
Yeah.
wink, wink.
Unless they're jumping on
They're
it.
jumping on it, probably.
Or jumping somebody.
No, they're jumping on it.
Jumping bones. Dropping bones on them.
How, I'm surprised how quiet it was in the hall. 'Cause
Yeah. Because it ain't quiet here.
It's like a full-on party.
Oh, sorry, kids. No more party. You hear that? You know, hold this iPhone as close to the roof as possible. There you go. Now they know. Now they know I was filming. Oh, what are you going to do?
Should I call?
Yeah.